Hello friends, now I will tell you how to make a simple airplane game on your computer or laptop. To make a simple airplane game, you need NetBeans software which you have to install on your computer. How to make a simple airplane game using NetBeans. 1. Open the NetBeans application. 2. Create a new project with the name Game2 using the File menu. Click New Project and name it Game2. Without activating Create Main Class, then click Finish. 3. Select the source package in the Game2 project. Right-click, then create a Java package with the name gameplane. 4. Right-click on the airplane game package. 5. Then type the programming code that has been provided according to the Java class name. Then create a Java class with the name shown in this video. 6. Create or search for planes, airplane bullets and enemies in PNG format. 7. Create or search for backsounds, explosions, and lasers in wave format. 8. Then run the program that has been made. 9. If an error occurs, check the program code that is made whether it is appropriate. Well, that's all the procedures you need to make a simple airplane game. Good luck!